Grab it at the bottom, not half.
What?
Grab the bottom, not half. Gonna get warm.
This thing's got some kick to it. Oh shit. Wow, what the hell was that? Well, that's sick. See if there's any more left in there.
Didn't use the fire.
Those are little stars.
Shoot them at people.
There's 5.
No, don't shoot them at people.
Hey, give me one.
Here, I'll leave. What's this? Does this thing
Hold
go
the big
boom?
one. Yeah.
Rainbow mine, multicolored star mine with silver whistles.
It's for you to figure out. For those.
Oh, hello.
Yeah.
Look at Mark holding
He's holding it the wrong way.
He's like the Statue of Liberty.
She is. She's sitting on the deck.
Okay.
You ready, Troy? Kevin, I need your lighter.
Which way does it shoot?
We don't know.
We're gonna find out.
Fuse, I assume.
Yeah.
Hold it away from just make sure.
Oh shit!
I don't know what way. Who's going first?
Oh, that doesn't even go boom. Right at the car.
How about not at my car?
I see jump.
Like the grass.
Get the ST jump. The grass is on fire.
Oh shit, Mark, go get it.
Oh, Mark.
Go.
Get it, buddy!
I have to aim it at my...
Let the grass on fire. Hey, Troy! Nothing to do. Troy, do you want to hold the bigger one? Well, you're gonna force me. I know you are.
You're gonna force me.
Watch, you're gonna get the grass on fire.
What a dumbass.
Smoke.
Did you just light that with the fire?
Yeah. What the hell is this? Light him! Sparking.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh man, this cannot end well.
Just holding the beer.
Watch that one go kaboom. Look, I got Mark just stabbing me. Don't get the grass on fire this time. Let's hope. Look in it. Let's not something.
Okay, somebody light this. Do you have a lighter?
Right here.
There we go. There we go.
Hold by a stand. Hold it by a stand.
Don't hold it by its stand.
Oh shit! Yeah, hold it by the stand, Mark.
Mark, we got another one you can hold by the stand if you really want.
Right here. Where's the round one? Who has the round? Oh, you do.
Hold it by the stand, Mark.
Yeah.
Light it. Mark.
I'm not going to the hospital.
I don't want to blood rings. He's like, ow, my ear!
That was loud.
Shit, the gun, dude! You want to hold this one too?
That one burns Brent had that someone was throwing around the party. That one's shooting off shots and it's just like throwing it around.
Here, Mark, hold that one with your teeth.
That one will be easy to hold.
It burns right to the ground, doesn't it?
No.
We don't know.
It doesn't. That's the same one that we got.
Hold on the back, I remember.
Mark, chuck it!
Chuck it!
Throw it!
Just go like that, go!
You try spinning around.
Oh, I'm not landing on my car. Holy!
What'd you do?
Missed the iced tea thing.
Did it do anything?
The wiped right off her again.
You almost got the iced tea jug. That was impressive.